How to add shipping address on Facebook. So if you want to add shipping address on your Facebook, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Facebook application. After opening your Facebook, you need to go with the upper right, which has that three horizontal lines. Scroll down, go with settings and privacy, and tap on settings. Now under settings, you will have an option of payments. If you don't find the payments, then you can go with search, which is on the top right on your settings. And under your settings, you need to search for payments. And under that, you need to go with the payment section, and it will take you to billing and payment. Now here you will have add payment method. You need to tap on add payment method, and then you'll be able to add a card. So first you need to select your location and currency. Go with next, and you can select your business location, and after that your business tax info, and then your payment method. You can use your debit or your credit card, or you can also go with PayPal. And after that, after entering your payment methods or your credit information, you need to go with next, which is on the bottom, and your shipping address will be added. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.